So I've told you that we have entered into mid row and we are asked how many times we want to practice. Okay, so I have told you that we can implement this by if while loop, or we can implement by for loop. I have implemented for loop here. So as you can see, for I equal to 1 to I less than rep. Here, the value entered by user, like how many times you want to practice, is stored into rep. Okay, so here, how many times you want to practice? I say one. Okay, so this loop will run until our I is less than the value of rep. For loop one, first loop. Okay, for first loop, for first loop here we are doing first loop here. Okay, okay. In first loop, it says we have j. We have again for loop. This is j equal to less 0 to j it, less than 12. This loop is running for j equal to 0 to j is less than 12. It is because of there are 12 elements in the mid row. Okay, actually 13 elements. We are counting 0, so it's 12 total 13 elements. So this is running for 13 elements. So for loop, if you want practice this row for one time, then one time, and then you will have to traverse all these elements one by one by one. So you'll have to make this loop. Okay, in this loop, if you, it say if it will say enter this mid j. Mid was our array, and j denotes its number, index number. Okay, like index number is 4, then our value will be f. If index is 0, then our value will be a. So it will our index will vary from 0 to 12. So it will cover all the 13 elements. Okay, then in this loop, if it says if our user input, that is stored in key, is equal to the value of stored mid element, mid array, then it will print correct, else it will print wrong, and it will make a beep sound. Okay, so just see, if we enter it's saying correct. If we enter s, it's say correct. If we enter any other thing, it will make correct or wrong, and it will make a beep sound. Okay, so just skip it. So now, when this loop is completed, this for loop is completed, this will ask for this for loop is completed means we are exited from this loop. Okay, so same process of this will be here and here. So I'm showing this for I equal to this to this. We have changed the value array. Previously we are working on mid row, here working on top row, here we are working on bottom row. So here it was mid, here it was top, and here it is bottom. Okay, so we are basically, we have um, just a second. Yeah, here we have three arrays, and we are taking user input and matching them with user input. Okay, we are sorry, let me, yeah, here we have three arrays. Okay, and we are having input, user input, like this, key equal to get ch in every loop, and we are comparing them. If both are correct, both are equal, then it prints correct. If they are not equal, it will print wrong. And after all this, okay, after all this will redirect us to here, because we were entered into the basics function from here. As you can see, I have put a mark. Okay, so After completing this, we will be redirect to main menu. How will we redirect to main menu? I'll show you. So, after completing this all three loops, all three rows, we are exited into for mm, we are exited from this basic void basics. Okay, so we are exited here from basics. So now we have again go to menu function, so it will redirect us to menu. So we have menu flag here, so will we again redirect to here. Okay, and again we'll get a menu. Then we have options to select, you enter our choice 1 2 3 or 4, then this loop will again continue. So I'll explain letter function 2 function 3 later. Okay, if you have any doubt, message me. Okay, I think it's good. I'll give you source code, then you'll be better to understand, because uh, I know it's very difficult to understand like this. Okay, thank you so much.